I am so sorry that I did not post this video 2 weeks earlier when I was meant to post it. I am so sorry. I've been very, very, very busy with what I've been doing. So yeah, also don't mind my hair and what I'm wearing a dressing gown, some shorts and all that. It is hot in Adelaide at the moment. Well, tomorrow it will be. It'll be like 29-ish. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy today's video. I'll see you next one. So yeah. Yo, what is happening, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're heading off to the Bend Motorsport Park, and this is the well-awaited event I told you guys about last month in the last video that I haven't posted ever since. Unfortunately, I'm sorry about that. But this is the private event I told you guys about. I just couldn't say anything about it because it's a private track that me and my friends have been invited to. We cannot wait. Also, you probably tell the audio sounds a bit better. I've picked up some microphones. I don't know if it's cut out like the last clip. But we picked up some microphones to interview some of the owners and all that, to know what their car, like what it is their car, what they like about the car, and all that. So yeah, stay tuned for that on YouTube Shorts and TikTok and Instagram and all that. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'll see you in the next one. So yeah. So a little bit of context before I get into the next few clips. I said hi to Merv. He said hi back, of course, and he was looking for someone. And he was like, "You want to jump in?" And I'm not going to pass up an opportunity to take a ride in a Ferrari. So enjoy the next few clips.
Give the photos to Merv?
Yeah.
So he'll send some of them.
Yeah. Cool. So just got out of the three-way around the bend. It was absolutely amazing. But I had to come and check out what cars are into. A 300 SL right here. Yeah, it was a gorgeous Testarossa. With a long may have been everyone really comes for. Sharon's not here anymore, but the 19 P1 GTR. Shut up, Daniel. We've got Daniel behind the camera at the moment. But yeah, it's not about a little while. The Sharon used to be there. But yeah. And over here we have a SP1, one of the three out of the iPhone series.
This car's been here for ages.
Yeah. F1 car, and that's the Lara. RX-7, Frosties, a few years back, or 10 years actually. A mirror which I've never seen before. Absolutely gorgeous. I like paint. It's absolutely amazing. It's not the best paint in the world because it's from like 1950 or something. But
who knows? It could have been restored.
Yeah, true. Like DB4 and another 3. No, this is not 300. So this is the 260 SL.
No, it's the 300 SL. It's just not a gold one.
Oh yeah, upstairs. Yeah. There's the one that looks exactly like 300 SL.
Yeah.
It's not 300 SL. So.
Honestly, I don't know.
I don't think it's a gold one. Yeah, it's just the doors.
Yeah, because it just has normal doors.
Like, on the side?
Yeah.
Let's go inside that.
Alright.
It's recording. We're going into the gift shop. And we have some sort of flying car. We have a gorgeous 550 Spider. That is absolute dream car of mine, even if it's like kit car as gorgeous. I just look at it. And then you have a Cooper Austin.
You're just reading it off the thing, aren't
Yeah,
you?
I don't know. I don't know that car, but I know car knows. Like classic cars are not my thing. I know that one. So.
Oh my god. Yeah, there's something going on right now. Race.
Ladies first.
Thank you. Stupid idiots first. Ah, there you go.
That was like a year 5 in software. Here we have Wild Marcus Dawson. He is going into territory, filming cars for no reason. Alright, so the wind was that bad, I'm just going to do a voice over on this, so I'm just going to show off the cars. So you have a tailor-made 296, absolutely gorgeous car. Then you also have a Novitec 296. You can tell it's Novitec because of the dual exhaust pipes compared to the singular. So yeah, it also has like lots of other Novitec parts. They also have my dream car, a 430 Scuderia, which is in collaboration with Michael Schumacher and also Ferrari. Create this gorgeous track day weapon if you want to drive on the track and then drive home. Then you also have a GT4 Lusso, a ultimate bread fan if you want to call it that.
God, where has this rain come from?
We have Merv's 408 on HREs and
what exhaust is it?
custom exhaust on it. Don't know what, but definitely not.
Yeah, the turbos are really loud.
Yeah. And apparently it's wrapped. Apparently it was red, because Merv just have a 360. Apparently you wrapped it black. So I could be wrong. That's what.
And the windows are heavily tinted.
Yeah, that's what the guy I was driving and told me.
Right.
Then you have another one of my ultimate dream cars. The 458. I'd rather have it than the 458 Spider. But this guy has got all the carbon pieces, except for the door handles. It's got carbon skirts, carbon back bit, I don't know what you call it. Carbon bits, which when you're going real fast, they actually bend a bit to cause a bit more aerodynamic. We also have a 360 Spider. This thing absolutely sounds mental.
Whoa, another one.
I'll put it on clip. Yeah, I've got that one. I'll put a clip of that one flooring at the last end. Insane. We have a 456. One of the most underrated Ferraris, in my opinion. This thing needs to get more loved. We have the 308 Marcus Road. We have the 308 I Road. Yeah.
Pretty much the same car, but they look a bit different.
This one's GTS, this one's GCB. So,
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can probably see. There's that one.
Also, that one's got the front end split, that one doesn't.
Yes.
So, yeah, different bump
Alright.
these two. Also, Sam Shakin was here, the CEO or the founder of the Bend and OTR. He brought his SLS here. I'm talking about Ferraris and all that. So, yeah, that's I'm here today. Fortunately, it's not the biggest event of Ferraris, but it isn't just a Ferrari track day. It's come here and drive around track day. So, yeah. Also, like, again, with that when I went out the Ferraris, they had the safe car on. So, yeah.
I need to get a photo of that.
Alright. Hurry up.
6'7".
Who you going for?
6'7".
Who you going for?
6'7".
Same here. Come on, 6'7". Come on, 6'7", come on.
Bro, we're so proud.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. Peak entertainment. Peak entertainment, right? Come on, 6'7". Right, so we are just getting photos of all the cars while the driver's going up to do a drive briefing, I'm pretty sure. And I'm actually getting a ride in the 430 Scuderia, which is an absolute dream car of mine. I can't thank the owner enough. He's actually very chill. I actually found the account, the YouTube account. So yeah, but this is just insane. One day I'll be part of the Ferrari Club, trust me. So yeah. So I've just beaten Daniel and Marcus out to these, and now I've literally got the entire, not now, but the entire, for all the Ferraris by myself for about a few more seconds, and then Dan's gonna come over here. No, this is when we get a ride in the 430 Scuderia, an absolute dream car of mine. Oh, so good. So, yeah, very nice. While I'm taking photos of cars, these guys are mucking up the sticky ground. Trouble. He sent it. There you go. He sent it down there with the mountain. Yeah. Naughty, naughty. Damn. Oh. This 360 is going to absolutely scream down the track.
you have a Novitec 206 versus one of the Adelaide's most fastest 206 in my opinion. Oh, okay. Never mind then. Come on, Joe. Oh, 4th of 8.
So we toasted them all and now we
Good job. I mean,
check in. No, check in right on the second round.
Before I get into this video, I just want to say I am so sorry for not uploading this video weeks earlier. I've been very, very busy with stuff. So yeah, but I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya.